thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This channel has been growing organically. I never paid for any advertising, or I never did any collaboration with anybody. So it's just a completely organic growth. Thanks to you guys, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. I try to read all the comments and try to respond to as many of them as I can. So forgive me if your comment doesn't get the attention right away, but I usually get to them eventually. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page as well as my YouTube membership page, where I'm posting tutorials, duets, and other content not available elsewhere. This would be a great way for you to show your support and help me continue what I'm doing. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate your support.